Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Sterilite brand. Their 2-quart or 1.9 liter beverage container. You can see it's got this unique top on here. It's BPA free. You just push and go like that. And this is totally sealed. You're not going to have to worry about spills. Now the reason I have this one here on the left is because this is 20 years old and it still works flawlessly. 20 years old. I mean, look at this. Look at that. Does not leak and the mechanism still works. So when they design something that's perfection, the company doesn't change it. So there's a perfect example. I just decided to buy another one so I can make 2 different beverages at the same time. But that's how amazing this product is. So I'd highly recommend it. You'll have this for a really long time and it doesn't discolor. As you can see, it lasts for an amazing amount of time. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.